Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet taste better. First, always start with the freshest eggs you can find. They truly make a difference in flavor. Next, whisk your eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds to a minute. This incorporates air, which is key for a light and fluffy omelet. Finally, cook your omelet over medium-low heat. This gentle approach ensures it cooks evenly without becoming tough or overly browned, preserving that delicate texture. To really boost the flavor, consider adding a small splash of milk or cream to your whisked eggs. This simple step adds richness and helps create a more tender omelet. Fresh herbs like finely chopped chives or parsley can introduce a wonderful brightness and aroma. Don't forget about your fillings. Select ingredients that complement each other, such as a sharp cheddar with sautéed mushrooms or spinach and feta, for a balanced and delicious bite. Achieving the perfect texture is all about technique. A good quality nonstick pan, around 8 to 10 inches, is essential for easy handling and flipping. Before adding your eggs, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan until it's foamy. This adds flavor and prevents sticking. As the eggs set, gently push the cooked edges towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. This creates those beautiful, soft folds. For a final touch, a sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper just before serving can elevate the flavors significantly. If you prefer a slightly more set or golden brown top, a quick 30-second broil can work wonders, but watch it carefully. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to streamline your kitchen routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. They are perfect for keeping your culinary creations fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.